morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where we live like the affordable way. My name is Moniqua. As you know, your girl had some pipe cleaner curls in. As you can see, this is rough in the morning, okay? I didn't do anything to my hair, and it's been about 2 days since I put these in. So I just want y'all to see the curls are definitely still curling. Like, as you can see, I can literally just walk out the house right now as we speak. Walk out, gone. But I just want to show y'all how I maintain and moisturize my hair when it's curly. And as you know, the products that we're using today is the Localicious Rose Water, little ASMR, the Localicious Rose Water, and then we going in with the Localicious Growth Oil. I've been testing these out. Look, as you can see, no dandruff in sight yet. I ain't taking off the back burner yet. No dandruff in sight yet. So we just want to add some little definition to these. I just love pipe cleaner curls, okay? Love it. So we're gonna start off by, I'm wondering if I should section off my hair. Should I? See, I haven't separated the curls since. I just been leaving it as is. Okay, yeah, so we can do one side. Let me get a clip. We can do one side first, and then we can do the next side. So I just can clip it. Look at me using clips. And then we're gonna go row for row without damaging the curls. Like, some of the curls are already damaged, but not damaged, but like coming out. But where the locks are so curly, I just like volume. Like I say, it's been 2 days since I had this in, but I know my scalp needs some hydration. And one thing I can say about this oil, this been giving me life, okay? And it don't smell bad. It has black seed, sweet almond, emu oil, castor oil, barami oil, horsetail extract, cedar wood, alma oil, bergamot oil, hemp seed oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, and all natural essential fragrance blend. Now, I was scared of the fragrance when I first started using this, because I feel like fragrance and alcohol is what is triggering my dandruff. But like I say, so far it hasn't been no dandruff in sight. Oh, oil getting on my face. So far it hasn't been no dandruff in sight. So we're just gonna put some of that on our thingum, and then we're gonna put some of that in our hand, and then just put some on the curls, you know, so the curls could look like they have life. Yeah. Okay, let me see if I can wipe this oil off. Put on my face. I don't want it to smell makeup. So, yeah. Okay. So y'all think it look bouncy? I think so. And then we're gonna add a little bit of this rosemary. Then we're gonna add a little bit of this rose water hydration mist. And this bundle what I have is the daily hydration bundle what I got. I think I paid like $40 for this with my own money. Okay, own money over here. Localicious and the girls and products, eh? But let's do the next side. So like I say, we go on row for row. See, some of these still curl up. I didn't really separate them. Next time when I put the pipe cleaner curls in, because like I said, I can buy some more, so I was just scrapping. I didn't put one on each lock. I can put it on each lock next time. That way I could get in my hair thoroughly. But this time I just wanted like a little bit of volume. if I would say. A little bit of volume. As you can see, my edge is growing and all. Shout out to Jamaican black castor oil. That's what got my edges growing, Gyal. So yeah. Okay, let me get in the back. And then, yeah, so let me get on the sides. Make sure always put oil on them edges. And then put some on the curls. Okay. So, yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna spray some hydration on these. Now this have like a weird smell, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, oh, let me get the back, because the back feel a bit dry. So yeah, I love it. So now we're going to add, now I can add some do something with these edges, you see. But I want y'all to see. Y'all remember when I first started, my edges was ball, like ball. It wasn't nothing much there, and I still embrace that it wasn't nothing much there. So just for the girls, don't be ashamed if your hair ain't got no edges. So now we're going in with the red one. This is the color. This is how it looks. This is the red one, aqua hair wax. All the products I can leave down below. And we're going in with the comb. But first I like to, oh, see, I just put some press-on nails on. Oh, I'm gonna get under the nail. So first I like to just apply a little bit to like the front, so I could just do some swooping, you see. Okay, how I have these nails on, it's a bit hard, so you just apply it. I don't put too much, I just put minimum. And like how it's getting cooler now, I feel like the edge can last long. But if you're new here and you have some, like, you have locks and you have a good edge control for fussy hair that works no matter what, and that's not cause build up, let your girl know, because I want to try edge control that works. Because I feel like, me personally, I feel like none of these really work, like to say what could withstand that weather. Or if you have like an edge control regimen that you use, let me know down below. Okay, and let me see, let me put over here. So this is just how I swoop it in, swoop it right into that hair, you see. And then we go here, swoop the next side, and then we put down a little bit of sideburns. Okay. Okay. Like, I don't really do too much because I like my edges to look natural as possible, but I just do a little bit of something, you know. The girls that get it, the girls that don't. So yeah, that's our edges. I think I should tie it down. Hey, should I? But I don't think I have nothing to tie it down. Gyal, I ain't got nothing to tie it down. I don't even know what's talking. I can't tie it down, but I normally tie it down too. So we're just gonna take it out. And this is how I am wearing it for today, nice and curly. So let me just show you. And this is how I moisturize my curly locks on the day-to-day basis. The products I use, very affordable, very lightweight. My hair does not feel heavy. I might tell you about them lightweight, gotta have lightweight products, but this is just what I do with my locks. Now I am good to go and ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the beautiful Loc family. If you like to see Loc videos, subscribe. If you like to see makeup videos, subscribe. If you like to see girly things, subscribe to the channel. Join the family, girl. You're missing out.